Hey everybody, so today we're checking out the Yes 2 Cucumber skincare set. I will say the word cooling is perfect for this product. This comes with a cooling jelly mask, depuffing under eye mask, a daily eye treatment, and a 2-step eye kit. So I started off with the cooling jelly mask. As you see, I kind of rubbed it in my face. I wanted to just make sure my face was like clean with it, I guess. Left it on there for 10 minutes and then rinsed it off with cold water. It feels so good, so refreshing. Like I'm honest, I can't get enough of that. I love it so much. I wish it was in a bigger jar. Doesn't have a lather to it, no suds, no buds, but it does cleanse, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. As you see, the daily eye treatment it gave me a little bit of an issue. I'm not going front, but I figured out a way to pop it open, so I'll let you know that in another video. Let me know in the comments down below which way is a way to put on the eye mask. Then we also have the depuffing under eye mask. I don't know why, for some strange reason, I thought that there was a scrunchie inside of this package. It just looked like a green scrunchie. But no, these actually feel really nice. Very nice and soft underneath the eyes, and it definitely leaves the under eye area nice and cool. I did not get a chance to check out the 2-step eye kit, but I will do that in another video for you all.